Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 14. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill for data analysis, importing data from CSV files. CSV, or comma-separated values, is one of the most common formats for sharing data. Learning how to bring this data into MATLAB is essential for any analysis project. Have you ever struggled with getting your spreadsheet data into a format you can actually use for powerful computation? Good news! Moving your Excel or CSV data into MATLAB is an easy import process. We'll walk through the process step by step, starting with preparing our data, executing the import command, and then inspecting the results. To start our demo, we need a sample CSV file. This simulates having data exported from a system or a spreadsheet program like Excel. We're going to create a simple file named data.csv with a few columns and rows. This file will contain mixed data types, strings, and numbers. Before importing, let's briefly review the contents of our sample CSV to understand its structure. We have column headers and clearly separated values. Now for the fun part, bringing this external data into our MATLAB workspace. We'll use a built-in function designed for this exact purpose. The recommended function for importing tabular data from files like CSVs is readtable. It automatically detects data types and formats the data into a MATLAB table structure. In the MATLAB command window, we execute the command t equals readtable data.csv. This imports the data and assigns it to a new variable called t. Once the data is imported, the next crucial step is to inspect the resulting table to ensure everything was imported correctly and to understand our new data structure. You can quickly view the table headers and variable names to confirm they match the column names in your original CSV file. MATLAB should have automatically detected these. A quick look at the table T confirms the dimensions, variable names, and data types, ensuring the import was successful and our data is ready for analysis. That wraps up our lesson on importing CSV data into MATLAB using the efficient readtable function. Remember, importing data as a quote table makes it robust and highly efficient for MATLAB's statistical tools. Get comfortable with tables because robust statistical analysis is coming next. Join us in the next lesson, where we'll start performing some powerful statistical operations on the data we've just imported. See you then!